Hi, welcome to Lazy F Camp. I'm James. My camp name is Jam. I'm one of the volunteers here, and I've been working here since 2011, or a little over 2 years. I do a lot of the light maintenance around camp, and I'm also the archery instructor. I help instruct the camp staff and then some other groups that are guest groups. My wife also is a volunteer, and she works here in Skyline, does the laundry and does the setup for the groups that come into this, I call, special building. One reason I like to come up here is that you have so many different change of seasons. It's just the colors, during the winter there's inner tubing, and I help volunteer working with that, and during the spring the flowers are out. It's just so beautiful up here, and it's so calm and peaceful. So that's one reason I just keep returning. Usually I'm at home, work around the house or out in the yard. So I just try to stay busy. I'm retired from Department of Natural Resources and Wildland Fire Control, so this just fits in very well to be able to work up here and still be in the forest. The camp staff is just wonderful to work with, easygoing, and if you're going to stay and eat, you got wonderful food here, and so it's just a great facility.
Hey there, thanks for tuning in to Lazy F. I hope you learned something new today about our camp staff. It's no secret, we're hiring for the summertime. If you want to learn more about being a summer staffer, visit us online at our website, lazyfcamp.org. Who knows, we could be working together this summer.